In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. Welcome to English for You by Raza, and here I am Hassan Raza. I am English teacher, Government High School, Fatehpur. And today's my topic is about essay writing. There is a continuously asked question from students: what should be the quality of an essay and how we can write a creative essay. In this video, you will be inshallah taught about essay, and you will know very well about what are the characteristics of good essay and how you can write a good essay. Before starting this video, it is request, please subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video to other groups and other YouTube channels. Now I am going to start this my topic. First of all, I just want to define essay: a literary composition on any subject. A literary composition on any subject is called essay. Commonly speaking, it is the expression, it is the views or opinion of a single person about any subject or about any topic. When we discuss, when we write, when we talk about any subject and discuss its detail and explain it very well, then it is called essay, and it is in a literary form. Before going onward, I would like to tell you about the classification of essay. Essay is mainly divided into 5 classes. Very first is the reflective essays. Reflective essays as it is clear from its name that reflective essays mean that it reflects the ideas, opinion of somebody on some topic, and this topic is commonly an abstract topic. Means when we discuss about behavior, when we discuss about habits, when we discuss about different these sort of things, social and political issues, these sort of essays are called reflective essays, like corruption, like extremism, like poverty, this and that, or my hobby or my aim. These sort of essays are called reflective essays. Second one is narrative essays. Narrative means to narrate. It is the narration of events or the series of events. When you discuss events or series of events, and they conclude a bits of histories, like if you want to tell us about the reign of Akbar Azam, or the Mughal era, or you wanted to tell about the life of the Qaid Azam, or you want to tell us about the journey or a voyage. If you write this sort of essay, it is called the narrative essay. And third type is descriptive essay. Descriptive essay describes some place, some area, some beautiful place, some scenery. And we have studied many this side of descriptive essays, like when we study about Italy, when we study about America, when we study about Taj Mahal, when we study about Karachi, when we study about Lahore, when we study about Badshai Mosque, when we study about Faisal Mosque, then we are describing some place, we are describing the beauty of some place, we are describing the scenic beauty of some place. This type of essays are called descriptive essay. And next essays are the expository essay. Expository essay means to expose or to explain some happening or an event. When we expose some event or something or some subject, like an institution, like industry, and etc., this sort of thing, when we explain about that very things, this type of essay is called expository essay. And last one is imaginative essay. Imaginative essays are something about feeling, what we feel about something, what are our opinions, what are our feelings, what are our sentiments about something. This sort of essay are called imaginative essay. For example, when we want to write on the essay like if I were the king, it is imaginative because I am not king. I am imagining, I am just feeling, I am just expressing the feeling about if I were the king, what should I do. These sort of essays are called imaginative essay. So these are the 5 classification of essays. Reflective essays reflect some events, narrative essay narrate some ideas, descriptive essay describe some place, exhibit. Expository essays means to expose or explain something, or imaginative means to tell about some imagination. Now I want to tell you about the characteristics of good essay. Before going forward, before telling you the steps to write down a creative essay, I just want to explain about the characteristics of a good essay. Very first characteristic of a good essay is that it must have unity. Unity means unity of theme, because when you are writing an essay, you are writing on some topic. You select a topic, you choose a topic, and you start to write down on that very topic. And there is one theme in that very essay, and you want to explain that very theme. And unity means that you must tell all the information, all the direction, or the instruction in that very essay, or the explanation about that very essay or that very topic should be according to the topic of that very essay. If you want to, for example, write about corruption, your ideas, your explanation, your viewpoints, and your explanation must be according to the essay about corruption. The second term is order. Order means sequence, arrangement. In essay, when you write about some topic, you add some different events. You have many events and you add one by one to them. So there must be a logical order between that very event. You write one event very first, then after that second event, after that third event, after that, and so on, it goes away. There must be a logical sequence, a logical arrangement in that very essay. And third thing is brevity. Brevity means aphorism. We have studied that there are some essays so long that it causes boredom, or the reader get exhausted while reading that very essays. So your essay must be aphoristic, must be brevity. There must be brevity in that very essay. It should not be very long, it should not be very short. It must have a suitable length that is bearable for your readers. Next is style. It is commonplace mistake that often when we write essays, we use colloquial or common language that is used in informal way in our life. But when you are writing essay, the style of your language should be dignified. The style of your language should be supreme. You should use literary language. You should use different type of figure of speeches in that very essay to adorn your essay, to adorn your writing. It will explain, it will beautify your essays, and it will create attraction for the readers. And last thing is personal touch. When you are writing about some essay, there must be personal touch. Means that event should look like that as you have on board that very event, or there must be personal views or personal opinions about that very topic when you are writing an essay. So these are the 5 characteristics of an essay. Very first is unity, second is order, third is brevity, fourth is style, and fifth is personal touch. Now these were the qualities of an essay, classification of the essays or characteristics of the essay. Now I am going toward when you start writing an essay, when you are creating an essay, when you are writing a creative type essay, what steps should you follow to write them down? So very first steps of essay writing. So there are some general steps and then special steps. Very first are general steps. General steps mean very first step is reading. According to Bacon, he says that reading make the full man. Reading make the full man means reading makes man perfect. We get knowledge mostly from reading books. When we are writing an essay, we must have excessive reading. We must have very much knowledge about the topics, about the events on which we are going to write about an essay. Second thing is observation. Not everything you get from reading. You must observe your society, because each and every event on which we are talking about, on which we are writing an essay, is happening in our society. There must be there must be an eye, there must be our eye on each and every event that is happening in our society. We must observe each and every event. And third thing is conversation. You must converse, you must discuss the topic, the issue on which you are going to write an essay about with the experienced one, with the professional who have done this job, or who are bearing that very event on which you are going to write an essay. These 3 things are the general steps. You must have habit of reading, you must have observation, and you must converse with the people about that essay. And the second step are the special steps. You have sit down for writing an essay, and these are the steps that are the important when you are writing an essay. Very first are the defining the subject. Most important thing when you are writing a creative essay, very first thing, very first and foremost thing is that you have to select or choose a subject. Means you have to select the topic on which you are going to write an essay. For example, I have selected the topic corruption. So after the selection of topic, you have to collect the material. The second step is the collection of material. Means when you have choose the topic, the second step is collection of material. Collection of material include two things. Very first is collection and second is selection. For example, we have selected the topic corruption. Now we collect the material regarding corruption from books, from our observation, from conversation, from different things. We get the knowledge, we get the material, and after getting the material, we select relevant material from that very our collection. From our collection, we select the relevant material, and that is called selection. Two things are involved in collection of material. Very first is collection and second is selection. Just very firstly collect the material and then select the relevant one to write in your essays. Third is logical arrangement. It is also related to the order. When you select the material, when you choose the material to write down in essay, then you have to arrange them in logical way. For example, when you are writing about corruption, you have to write down causes of corruption, you have to write down effects of corruption, you have to write down what is the situation in our society, what is the situation in our country. These are the arrangements. You have to arrange that very events, that very information, that very things that you have collected from your material. And the last thing is the structure of an essay. When you are writing an essay, its structure is comprised of three things. Very first is introduction, second is body, and third is conclusion. Introduction means you have to introduce your topic. It must not be very long. Some people write it in 2 or 3 paragraphs. It must be in 2 or 3 lines so that the reader must get easiness to understand the topic on which you are going to talk about. It must be straightforward. Your topic must be straightforward. Your introduction must be straightforward, and you introduce your topic well. After that, the body. The real essay is the body. For example, in introduction, we define corruption. We have selected the topic corruption. We defined corruption. What is corruption? How it exists in our society, and this and that. And after that, the body. In body, you write about the corruption. You write about the causes of corruption. You write about the effects of corruption. You write about the situation in our country. In body, you write down all the essay, all the material you have collected. And in conclusion, if you are talking about a personality, in conclusion, you should sum up his personality. You should sum up the main points of his personality at the end of the essay. And if you are writing on some issue or some topic, like we are discussing that corruption, then you should give that very solution. What should be the possible solution to that very issue? In conclusion, you write these things. So these are the things. These are the classification of the essays, characteristics of the good essay, then the steps of essay writing, and then structure of an essay. These are the things that you should keep in mind while writing an essay. I hope that you have understand that very well. Inshallah, in next video we will discuss about more topic. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz Nasir.